let's just hope I don't need any scissors. I didn't think about that. But I got it from Spencer's. Because I'm not trying to show anybody my freaking address. No, thank you. If you could actually get this in store, because most of like Spencer's and Hot Topic things, like the hats and beanies that me and my fiance wanted for Christmas or whatever, they didn't have in store. It was only online only. So I don't know if this was online only. I don't think you can get this in store. I think you have to order it online. But this is it. This is it. Oh my gosh, the little ears. Oh my gosh. It says Pikachu on the back with a number. It's actually pretty thick. I wasn't expecting this to be like this thick, but I like it. It's good material. It's heavy. It came with a little thingy, and it says Pokemon on it inside. So it looks like I'm assuming you can tighten this. It doesn't look like you can. Yeah, it just looks decorative. There's only one strap. There's no two strap. So I don't know how that works. I don't even think you can tighten it. Huh? I opened it. I'm trying to figure this out. I guess you could take it out and tighten. Yeah, there you go. You can tighten it to make it smaller, or you can loosen it to make it bigger and put it in the hole there so it doesn't stick out, and it's kind of like, you know, not sticking out. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to tighten it. It's definitely so freaking loose. But look! It is definitely loose. I'm gonna have to tighten it. It's like made for like a huge head. I don't know. It's just like way loose. I'm afraid to wear this in the winter. I was expecting it to be like more snug fit, but I guess I could wear it with. Do not wear it in the windy days. I hate the windy days here. But look how cute. Look how cute. My mom got it for me because my birthday was in March, and there's a lot of other things I want, but this is the only thing she could afford, so I wanted this so bad, so I finally got it. Thank you, Mom. I love you so freaking much. Oh my gosh, I waited for this since March. Waited for so long for this. I love it. It's cute. Do you want to see the back? Do. It's so freaking adorable. I love it. Thank you, Mommy. I love it. I love it. Yay. So, hat is from Spencer's. This top high-low shirt with it rips all the way down and all the way down from the back. It's from the Melting Pot in Reno, Nevada. And then the shorts, biker shorts, are from Franny Autoretta, collab with Brianna, I think is her name. Little biker shorts. And then my Vans are from Vans, obviously. And they're yellow. The yellow! And I have like this like dark yellow, so that's why I decided to wear my Vans. But I just got this hat and I thought it looked really cute, and there's yellow in my outfit, but just this is brighter. So I think it kind of goes, it kind of don't, I don't know, but don't be a hater. We love Pokemon. I love Pokemon, so don't be a hater. This is the fin, it's so cute. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are having a great, amazing day, and I love you just the way you are, and I want you to be here, and thank you for being here, and I love you, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Gotta keep the head up high and that smile big and bright, and I'll see you guys next time.